Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pt.3, your online personal trainer, and this is the third part from a three-part series videos in where I'm going to be talking, or I've been talking about macronutrients, and today we're going to discuss about fats and all you need to know about it. Let's get into it. For so long, fat has been considered an enemy when it comes to eating a healthy diet. But recent studies have shown that fats plays a big role in our overall health. Your fat is one of the three macronutrients besides carbohydrates and protein. Although fats are one of the three macronutrients, is the one that has higher energy levels, meaning the calories are more higher. For 1 gram of fat, you have 9 calories. So it's the highest ones. Fats provides a lot of energy, also helps us absorb some vitamins, and as well, fat is one of the favorite sources of energy that your brain likes to use to function properly. There are several types of fats. Not all of them are created equal. We have trans fats and we have saturated fats. These fats are the ones you need to avoid to consume so much. We reduce their consumption. The reason why you need to reduce or avoid the consumption of saturated fats and trans fat is because if you overconsume those, you're going to raise your cholesterol level, you're going to increase the risk to have a heart disease, and also you're going to contribute to gain more weight. On the other hand, we have non-saturated fats. These ones are more nutritious, it's more healthy. Those ones are the ones we need to aim to add to our diet. The reason you need to add unsaturated fats into your diet is it can help you to lower your cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation in your body, and protect against chronic diseases. There are two types of unsaturated fats: monosaturated and polyunsaturated. Monosaturated fats are found in avocado, nuts, and also olive oil. Consuming these fats are shown to improve your insulin sensitivity and as well help you to reduce the risk to having any chronic disease. On the other hand, polyunsaturated fats are found in fatty fishes, nuts, and seeds, and are essential for our brain function, cells growth, reduce inflammation in the body. Now that you know what are fats and what type of fats is, now it is time to explain you how much you should eat. To the American Heart Association, it recommends that adults get 20 to 35% of their daily calories from fat, with no more than 10% coming from saturated fats, meaning you really need to try to consume more unsaturated fats that can be found in the monosaturated fats, and also can be found in the polysaturated fats. So try that you always prioritize those fats, those sources of fat, to be able to have the daily recommendation. And the key factor here is that you need to be aware of what you're eating and really be mindful that the majority of the food you're consuming has some kind of non-saturated fat. Bottom line, wrapping things out, now you know what are fats, what kind of fats are, and which one you should focus more to eat, how much you should eat. So it's important that you focus more on saturated fats and also monosaturated fats, meaning that you really need to understand that not all fats are created equal. There are ones that have more nutritional value for our body and other ones no. Is be more mindful of what you're eating and what kind of fats you're eating, so you can have the best nutritional support coming from food. And also need to understand that fats are not the enemy. They have a huge role in our body and we really need to consume them. So that's all that I have to say. Take care, everybody. Please let me know what do you think. If you like this video, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my channel, all the things that help me to this video get to more persons out there. Thank you so much for your support and kindness, and take care. Un beso, familia. Hasta pronto. You're in a stress. No, I'ma hold a rice in my hand. Might just go turn her eyes to a fan.